heading to see the B-52 Memorial Park in Orlando, Florida, close to the airport. Here's park hours, and here's the front view of the B-52 Memorial Park. If you guys made it this far, thank you for watching. Please comment below where you're from, where you're watching, so that I know where this video is being watched. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you guys on my next YouTube video. Thanks.